Hello, friends. Welcome back to IMIND.Training. I am Sam Parolekar, the founder of IMIND.Training. Today, I'm excited to share with you an amazing tutorial which will teach you how to pass values to a query in the Power Query feature of Microsoft Excel. So, without any further ado, let's dive straight into it. So, here I have some data of an aquarium. And in this column, I can see number of days which have passed since the last transaction with my client. Now, in the top left corner, what I would like to do, I would like to type a number and then I would like to filter this data basis that number. So if I type 100 days, it means I would like to filter this data for all those clients who have not contacted us for 100 days or greater. So let me show you how you can do that. First, you select this data, right click on the data and select Get Data from Table/Range. Now here you can see the data, that is the value 100. So I can right click on this and select Drill Down. Now this is the value which I want to pass to my query. So let's come back to the customer's query. And in this customer's query, I would like to filter this particular column. So I'll click on this drop down and I would like to filter all those values which are greater than or equal to. So the filter dialog box will now open, and over here I'll type some random number like 5 and then click on OK. So all those values in which the last transaction date is 5 or greater would be shown over here. Now what I would like to do is I would like to pass the value of my table 3 to this query. So what I'll do now is I'll click on View, and in View I'll select Advanced Editor. Now over here where it has written as 5, I would like to substitute the value from table 3. So I'll just cancel it. I'll come to table 3 and I will just type a value over here as last sale. Now I come back to my customers and I select this column. I click on filter, or rather this time I'll click on cancel. I'll click on view and I'll click on advanced editor. And over here where I have typed greater than or equal to 5, I'll delete that and I'll type last sale. So here you can see I got that field name last sale. Okay. And then I'll click on done. So it shows me the filter for all those records which are greater than or equal to 100. Now I can select close and load. Now this is my last sale, this is my detail, and this is the source. So I'll come to detail, and in detail now it is showing me for all those data which is greater than 100. So let's change this to 500 and hit enter. After that, come over here and just select refresh. So for all those values which are greater than or equal to 500, it will show here. Let's change it to 1000. Hit enter. Come here and select refresh. So for all those values in which the last contact is greater than or equal to 1000, then it will show us over there. So friends, hope you have learned something new. You have learned how to pass a value to a query. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.